Migrating data into CRM software is a critical process for any business looking to upgrade or switch their customer management systems. Ensuring the safety and integrity of your data during this transition is paramount. In this video, we'll explore the safest ways to migrate your valuable information into a new CRM platform. We'll cover essential steps, best practices, and common pitfalls to avoid so you can approach your migration project with confidence. Whether you're moving from spreadsheets, another CRM, or a legacy database, understanding the process will help you minimize risks and maximize the benefits of your new system. Data migration is more than just moving information from one place to another. It's about preserving the accuracy, completeness, and security of your customer data. A poorly executed migration can lead to data loss, corruption, or even security breaches. That's why it's crucial to plan carefully and follow a structured approach. In this scene, we'll discuss the importance of data migration and how it impacts your business operations, customer relationships, and compliance requirements. By understanding the stakes, you'll appreciate why a safe migration process is essential. Before starting the migration, it's important to assess the quality and structure of your current data. Take time to review your existing databases, spreadsheets, or CRM systems. Identify any duplicate, outdated, or incomplete records. This assessment will help you determine what data should be migrated and what can be left behind. Cleaning your data at this stage reduces the risk of transferring errors into your new CRM. It also ensures that your new system starts off with accurate and reliable information, setting the stage for successful customer management. A detailed migration plan is essential for a safe and smooth transition. Start by defining the scope of your migration, which datasets will be moved, who will be responsible, and what the timeline looks like. Assign roles to team members and set clear milestones. Consider potential risks and develop contingency plans. Document every step of the process, from data extraction to validation. A well-structured plan not only keeps everyone on the same page, but also helps you anticipate and address challenges before they become problems. Selecting the appropriate tools for your data migration is a key factor in ensuring safety and efficiency. Many CRM platforms offer built-in migration utilities, while third-party tools can provide additional flexibility and features. Evaluate tools based on compatibility with your data sources, security features, and support for data mapping. Make sure the tool you choose can handle the volume and complexity of your data. Testing different options before committing can help you avoid technical issues during the actual migration. Data security should be at the forefront of your migration strategy. Sensitive customer information must be protected at every stage of the process. Use secure connections, such as encrypted file transfers or VPNs, to move data between systems. Limit access to migration files to only those team members who need it. Regularly update passwords and monitor for unauthorized activity. By prioritizing security, you reduce the risk of data breaches and maintain customer trust throughout the migration. Before making any changes, always create a complete backup of your existing data. This backup acts as a safety net in case something goes wrong during the migration. Store backups in a secure location, separate from your main systems. Test the backup to ensure it can be restored if needed. Having a reliable backup gives you peace of mind and allows you to recover quickly from any unexpected issues. Data mapping is the process of matching fields from your old system to the corresponding fields in your new CRM. This step ensures that information is transferred accurately and ends up in the right place. Carefully review field names, data types, and formats. Address any mismatches or inconsistencies before starting the migration. Proper data mapping prevents errors and makes your new CRM easier to use from day one. Cleaning and standardizing your data before migration is essential for maintaining data quality. Remove duplicates, correct errors, and ensure that all records follow a consistent format. Standardization makes it easier to search, analyze, and use your data in the new CRM. This step also helps prevent issues that could arise from incompatible formats or incomplete information. Before migrating all your data, perform a test migration with a small sample. This allows you to identify and resolve any issues without risking your entire database. Check that data is transferred correctly, fields are mapped properly, and no information is lost or corrupted. Testing helps you fine-tune the process and ensures a smoother, full migration later on. After your test migration, validate the results by comparing the data in your new CRM with the original source. Look for missing records, incorrect mappings, or formatting issues. Involve key users to review the data and provide feedback. This validation step ensures that your migration process works as intended and that your data remains accurate and usable. Choose a time for the full migration that minimizes disruption to your business. Many organizations prefer to migrate data during off-peak hours or weekends. Communicate the schedule to all stakeholders and prepare for possible downtime. Having a clear timeline helps everyone stay informed and ready for the transition. Effective communication is vital during a data migration. Keep your team informed about the migration plan, schedule, and any changes that arise. Provide clear instructions and support resources. Encourage team members to report issues or concerns promptly. Good communication helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures a coordinated effort. With all preparations in place, it's time to execute the full migration. Follow your documented plan step by step. Monitor the process closely and be ready to address any issues that arise. Keep stakeholders updated on progress and any unexpected developments. A careful and methodical approach helps ensure a successful migration. During the migration, actively monitor the data transfer to catch any errors or interruptions. Use migration tools logs and reports to track progress. If problems occur, pause the migration and resolve issues before continuing. Continuous monitoring helps you maintain control and ensures data integrity throughout the process. Once the migration is complete, validate the data in your new CRM. Compare key records, run reports, and verify that all information has been transferred correctly. Involve end users to test the system and confirm that data is accessible and accurate. Post-migration validation is crucial for identifying any issues that may have slipped through earlier checks. If you find discrepancies or missing data after migration, address them immediately. Investigate the root cause, whether it's a mapping error, format issue, or technical glitch. Correct the data in the new CRM and update your migration process to prevent similar issues in the future. Prompt resolution ensures your CRM remains a reliable source of information. After migration, provide training and support to your team. Help users understand the new CRM's features and how to access their data. Offer resources such as guides, tutorials, or help desk support. Well-trained users are more likely to adopt the new system effectively and report any lingering issues. Keep detailed records of the entire migration process. Document the steps taken, tools used, issues encountered, and how they were resolved. This documentation is valuable for future migrations, audits, or troubleshooting. It also helps maintain transparency and accountability within your organization. After the migration, review the outcomes with your team. Assess what went well and what could be improved. Gather feedback from users and stakeholders. Use these insights to refine your migration process for future projects. Continuous improvement ensures safer and more efficient migrations down the line. Once you've confirmed the new CRM is working correctly, consider archiving your old data. Store it securely in case you need to reference it in the future. Make sure archived data is protected and only accessible to authorized personnel. Archiving helps you maintain compliance and reduces clutter in your active systems. Data migration must comply with relevant regulations, such as GDPR or industry-specific standards. Review your migration process to ensure all legal and regulatory requirements are met. Document consent, data handling procedures, and security measures. Compliance protects your organization from legal risks and builds customer trust. Special care is needed when migrating sensitive information, such as personal or financial data. Use encryption, anonymization, or masking techniques where appropriate. Limit access to sensitive data and monitor for unauthorized activity. Protecting sensitive information is not only a legal obligation, but also a key part of maintaining your reputation. Control who can access data during and after migration. Assign user roles and permissions based on job responsibilities. Regularly review and update access rights to prevent unauthorized use. Proper access management reduces the risk of accidental or intentional data breaches. Enable audit trails in your CRM to track data changes and user activity. Audit logs provide a record of who did what and when, which is invaluable for troubleshooting and compliance. Review audit trails regularly to detect unusual activity and ensure accountability. Automation can make data migration faster and less error-prone. Use scripts or migration tools that support automation to handle repetitive tasks. Automation reduces manual effort and helps ensure consistency. However, always monitor automated processes and be ready to intervene if issues arise. Migrating large volumes of data presents unique challenges. Break the migration into manageable batches to reduce the risk of overload or failure. Monitor system performance and adjust the process as needed. Batch processing also makes it easier to identify and fix issues without affecting the entire migration. Legacy systems may use outdated formats or technologies, making migration more complex. Work with IT specialists to extract and convert data into a compatible format for your new CRM. Address any technical challenges early to avoid delays. Migrating from legacy systems often requires extra planning and testing. Your CRM may need to integrate with other business systems, such as email, marketing, or finance platforms. Plan for these integrations during migration to ensure seamless data flow. Test integrations thoroughly to confirm that data syncs correctly between systems. Proper integration enhances the value of your CRM and streamlines business processes. Some downtime may be unavoidable during migration. Minimize its impact by scheduling during off hours and informing users in advance. Prepare contingency plans for critical operations. Quick communication and support help users adapt to temporary disruptions. After migration, thoroughly test your CRM's functionality. Check that all features work as expected and that data is accessible where needed. Involve end users in testing to catch issues that might not be obvious to IT staff. Comprehensive testing ensures your CRM is ready for daily use. Optimize your data for use in the new CRM by setting up custom fields, workflows, and reports. Tailor the system to your business needs to maximize efficiency. Well-optimized data makes it easier for users to find information and perform their tasks effectively. Data migration is just the beginning. Establish ongoing maintenance routines to keep your CRM data clean and secure. Schedule regular audits, backups, and updates. Proactive maintenance helps prevent issues and ensures your CRM remains a valuable business tool. Every migration project presents unique challenges. Take time to reflect on what obstacles you faced and how you overcame them. Document lessons learned and share them with your team. This knowledge will help you handle future migrations more effectively. Don't hesitate to engage with your CRM vendor's support team during migration. They can provide valuable guidance, troubleshooting, and best practices. Building a good relationship with support ensures you have help when you need it, both during and after migration. Review and update your organization's data policies after migration. Ensure that new procedures reflect how data is managed in the CRM. Communicate policy changes to all users and provide training if necessary. Updated policies help maintain data quality and security. Encourage users to provide feedback on the new CRM and the migration process. Their insights can help you identify issues, improve workflows, and increase satisfaction. Set up channels for ongoing feedback and make adjustments as needed. Define metrics to measure the success of your data migration. Track data accuracy, user adoption, and system performance. Use these metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your migration strategy and identify areas for future improvement. Even after a successful migration, it's wise to plan for future data moves. Keep your documentation up to date and maintain relationships with migration experts. Being prepared ensures that your next migration will be even safer and more efficient. Be aware of common pitfalls in data migration, such as incomplete data mapping, lack of testing, or ignoring security protocols. Learn from others' mistakes and take proactive steps to avoid these issues. A cautious approach helps you steer clear of costly errors. A safe and well-executed migration brings many benefits. You'll enjoy improved data quality, better system performance, and increased user confidence. Your business can make more informed decisions and provide better service to customers. Investing time and effort in a safe migration pays off in the long run. Let's recap the key steps for a safe CRM data migration. Assess and clean your data, plan the migration, choose the right tools, back up your data, map and test, execute the migration, validate results, and provide user support. Following these steps helps ensure a smooth and secure transition to your new CRM. Remember to involve all stakeholders, document every step, and prioritize security throughout the migration. Regular communication, thorough testing, and ongoing support are the hallmarks of a successful migration. By following best practices, you can avoid common mistakes and achieve your migration goals. A safe CRM data migration sets the foundation for future growth and innovation. With your new system in place, you can focus on building stronger customer relationships and leveraging data for business success. Stay proactive, keep learning, and continue to refine your data management strategies. Migrating data into CRM software doesn't have to be risky or stressful. By following a structured process and prioritizing safety at every step, you can ensure a smooth and successful transition. Remember, the key to a safe migration is preparation, communication, and ongoing vigilance. Thank you for joining us as we explored the safest ways to migrate data into CRM software.